Hello foodies, welcome back to Novel Kitchen. Today's special recipe is street style Chinese fried rice recipe in 2 minutes. Let's start the recipe now. Let the pan be really very hot. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add 6 to 7 garlic cloves that is finely chopped. Then add finely chopped spring onion white parts. To this add finely chopped carrot about 3 tablespoons. Then finely chopped beans 3 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum. Saute them well in a very high flame for about a minute. Then add salt to your taste and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. If you like soya sauce, you can add little more. Then saute them well in a high flame. To this add 1 cup of cooked rice. I am using basmati rice. If you don't have basmati rice, you can use a normal rice itself. Add 1 teaspoon of spring onions and mix them well. Now check for salt and add more if you need. Now our flavorful street style Chinese veg fried rice recipe is ready to be served now. If you like this recipe, do subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.